What's up guys, this is Andrew from Coffee Break. In this video, you are going to know and assemble how to make a smart bin. So let's go to the video. So if you want to make a smart bin, you have to need some components. So gather the required components like Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, SG90 servo motor, then the connectors, battery caps, batteries and jumper wires. Okay, so if you collected these components, first of all you have to connect these components as per the circuit. So this is our circuit diagram. The circuit diagram consists of the Arduino board, then ultrasonic sensor. The trigger pin and echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the D5 and D6 of the Arduino board, and the Arduino's D9 is connected to the PWM pin of the servo motor. So you have to connect these components, assemble these components and download the code. The code is on the attachment. Just download it in this Arduino board, and then what you have to do, you have to test it manually before constructing these hardware in the smart bin. So this you can able to see I have tested manually. Just what I did is just show my hands in front of the ultrasonic sensor so that the servo motor can move forward and backward. So in this way, if it works fine, so we can go for assembling the smart bin. So to assemble a smart bin, buy a dustbin from the shop and make some suitable holes. To fix the ultrasonic sensor, make 2 holes. Then to fix the servo motor, make the hole at the side, and to place the Arduino board in a fixed, so take some holes and connect it with the tag. So if you fix it with tag, it can't be moved. So that's what I used it. Okay, then assemble the hardware. So I have created make some jumper wires. In that way, if you make the jumper wire, it's quite suitable for you. Connect the jumper wires and fix the connector. Fix the connector in the sense, fix the connector in the servo motor so that the servo motor's connector can lift the cap of the dustbin, so that you can able to put the wastages inside the dustbin. Okay, so if you assemble it, time to go to the demo. So right now you know how to assemble a smart bin in your home. So if you make this project in your home, just comment me. If you have any doubts or if you have any queries, just comment me. See you on next video. Bye bye. See you.